The skill review that we're doing for today is making 10. Materials needed are your online whiteboard or whiteboard, dry erase marker, and dry eraser. And the teaching style we're going to follow is where I do it, we do it together, and you do it on your own. So first, we've already been talking about ways to make 10. Okay, so we're going to kind of review what you're going to be doing on IXL. Here it says, which shows a way to find 6 plus 5. Now, we know that the first number is 6, and we see that this equation has a 6 and this equation has a 6. So the other number is a 5, so we have to figure out which of these remaining options make 5. Well, 4 plus 1 equals 5. If we look at this one, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, so this equation over here would be like 6 plus 6. So we do not want that one. We want it to be 6 plus 5. This one over here is like 6 plus 5. But it broke 5 down into 4 and 1. So this is why it did that. Next, it says, now use your choice to add. And it shows 6 plus 5. But what we're actually going to do is we, since this is broken up already, are going to add 6 plus 4. Why are we adding 6 plus 4? Because we know that makes 10. So this is like 10 plus the only number that's left, which is 1. And you know when you're adding with 10, okay, 10 plus 1 is 11, okay? Because this 1 from the 1's place takes over the 0. So it's just the 1 from the 10's place and the 1 from the 1's place. So really what we're doing is we're making 10 as a way to help us solve problems mentally in our heads, okay? So if we were to just see the equation of 6 times 5, we could think to ourselves, this is just like 6 plus 4, which is 10, and then we just need to add one more, which is 11, and you would type in 11. Let's go ahead and have you do one with me. It says, which shows a way to find 9 plus 4. So we already have our 9. We need to look at this 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 2. Okay, we need 9 plus 4. So we have to figure out which of those, squared in blue, is plus 4. Go ahead and write down the equation that we want to solve on your whiteboard. Which one is the correct equation that we want to solve? Okay, so you should have said that this over here is the one that we want to solve, because this 1 plus 3 equals 4, which is the number we were looking for. And we already have our 9. Okay, so what we're going to be solving is 9 plus 4. But what you might notice is that the 4 is broken down into 1 and 3. Why did we break it down into 1 and 3? Because we want to make 10. We know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. So all we have to do is add on that 3 that's left. So really, 9 plus 4 is just like 10 plus 3. because we broke the 4 down into 1 and 3. We put the 1 and the 9 together to make 10, and now we just have to add on the 3 that's left. So go ahead and write down your solution to 9 plus 4. Okay, so 9 plus 4, which we said is just like 10 plus 3, equals 13. Okay, so now we're to the part where you're going to be working on it alone. We're doing the IXL skill, make 10 to add. So it's going to be just like what we just practiced. You're going to have to first pick which way is similar to that equation, or which one will have the same answer. And then you're going to be able to make 10 to help you solve that mentally in your head, okay? And then put your answer in. Okay, go ahead and get started.